Dibitaw. Hi. Today is April 25 and most of you asked for a present video where I am. So here, yeah, I'm being driven by my husband. He doesn't participate. He doesn't think this has value. I do. He's a very good person and shy. Do not attack him. And yeah, to all my bashers that who hates me so much, maybe you just don't know yet that you are actually a fan. I'm just thinking. But if really you're not even my friend, you're not with me on a personal level. So if you don't like me, why get affected about me? There are 108 million people in the Philippines, and why do you hate me? Why do you hate me? Because I have a farm and everything. So yeah. So by the way, some people who ask me, tigulang na kaya na bikin kunot na ka. Oh, natural, 53 na good ko. Di na, jud ko kunot. AI, sit ka ayaw mo, AI. Wawa ma-charge. Anyway. But at least, I don't look bad at 53. Some of you there, you don't look good at 20. Jesus Christ. But anyway, sa mga bayot diha, dili taon ko homophobe. Uy! Pagka mga lovely ninyo nga mga people, I have a lot of friends, mahadlok lang in town sila. Because some of them have position in the government, and some of them are doctors, are lawyers, so, ano nga tultaan kanang, yeah, some of them are very professional people. Di sila mo appeal. But to all of you who send me, and to all of the people also who send me, taas-taas naman ni boy, vlogger na me. Anyway, to all the people who give me support, and the shocking, hala, gahapon yung nagpada Gcash na ako. Ako gipada niya balik. Gipada na siya balik. Ako si gipada niya balik. Yes, gipada. Mahulot mo niya atong Gcash charges ani. Uy, mahulot atong kwarta. So, wala, paibaw lang ko, di ko manghampo. Nganay nagpadaan ako Gcash. Ay! Bahala na meta, uy. Basta kung nagpadaan Gcash kay panglamig pa dyan nga message kay Ma'am Jo, when we saw we hated you, but when we saw your profile and what you're doing to the cats, I'm a cat person or dog person, we're sending you this money to go and fight. Ala, pagpalitong approval! Anang, beka naman, Sanofi Adventist. I can speak well. I can endorse now. Tanawa ko. Basta mag-approval mo lang raman. I've been taking your medicine for the last 12 years. Ang akong first prescription, murag napas. Scan copy na lang. Kaya syempre, kagubgob na noong papel. So, yeah. Thank you. Hi, fans. Hi, Bash. Mga Bash, sana bash-bashan kayo ni Lord. Okay?